Italy, it's probably the worst place in the world to do business, but here's where I live.
In the butt application.
It is already 3. I'm running so late today, but I want to start a project, a new thing that I think is going to be really cool, and I want to start it at least today, but now we have to go to buy material. I am super indecisive on really a lot of things here. The reason why I don't have like my own studio yet is because I don't know where to do it, how to do it, how big and blah blah, but I still need like, and now with the vlogs, like doing videos every day, I really need like a little studio of mine where I can put all my gears and, you know, do things that it's different than the office. So I want to do like a module, like a modular studio, which is like an oversized closet that I can move with a forklift if I need to, and I can decide where I want it, you know, all that thing. It's more like an experiment and see if actually that can work with other things. It's gonna be made out of OSB or BS, I don't remember. It's gonna look really cool. You didn't think we would only use nails, did you? Okay, hear me out first. Like, now that I see it like that, like, wouldn't it be Everyone is against it, but it's already like kind of a bench, you know? And then I can have all the things around. I know it's huge, but then what if I cut out a door so I can climb inside, and then maybe there's an opening in the middle, so it's a 360 bench. I feel like that is the best idea I've ever had. Like, you see what I mean? Like, this is a bench. Like, it's a huge bench. It's pretty high, but for doing some things, it's fun. I mean, I don't mind it. And then I can hang tools and stuff around it. The problem with having a bench that big is that it would be full of crap like in no time. But then I would have to cut out like a door here, and this door I can crawl inside, and inside, you know, I have all the LED lights, and it's like a little house where I can hang things, and it's like a secret place just for myself. I really like the idea. Probably I'm not gonna do it this time because it's actually huge, but it has to be huge. I'm not gonna do it this time, or I'm gonna see, like now we're gonna put it up as it should be. I wanna see how it looks. Otherwise, if it doesn't look cool, I'm gonna go back to this idea. It's exciting. Okay, I must say that it's actually pretty cool like that. But that idea though, I'm gonna do it one day.